What if I told you the next truck war in America won't be about electric pickups, it will be about V8 power? While many automakers continue replacing large engines with smaller turbocharged powertrains, GMC has gone in the complete opposite direction. Meet the all-new 2027 GMC Sierra 1500. A truck with brand new V8 engines, more than 60 inches of digital displays, luxury features normally found in premium SUVs, and serious off-road capability straight from the factory. Let's find out. Bigger, bolder, more premium. At first glance, the Sierra immediately looks tougher than before. The hood sits higher, the grille is taller and wider. The LED daytime running lights have a sharper signature. Even from a distance, the truck has far more road presence than the previous generation. The AT4X is built for real off-road drivers. If your weekends involve dirt trails instead of shopping malls, the AT4X is the Sierra you'll want. For the first time ever, GMC equips the Sierra with massive 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires directly from the factory. That's the kind of upgrade many truck owners normally spend thousands of dollars adding later. But tires alone don't make a great off-road truck. The real magic happens underneath. The Sierra AT4X uses advanced Multimatic adaptive dampers. This is the same suspension technology trusted on some of the world's most capable high-performance vehicles, because it reacts instantly to changing terrain. Open the driver's door, and you'll quickly forget you're sitting inside a pickup truck. The dashboard is almost completely digital. Driver display, massive center touchscreen, available passenger display. Together they create more than 60 inches of digital screen space. According to GMC, that's the largest digital display setup available in any truck in this segment. The passenger display even includes a privacy mode, so the driver isn't distracted while someone else uses it. The available Bose audio system uses 16 speakers. 2 of those speakers are actually built directly into the front headrests. Then there's GMC's completely redesigned Multi-Pro center console. Storage has become smarter. There are multiple levels, hidden compartments, better organization, larger cup holders, dedicated spaces for laptops, tablets, work equipment, charging cables, and everyday gear. Even the infotainment screen can slide forward to reveal hidden storage behind it. It's a simple idea, but one that many truck owners will appreciate every single day. The engines. Instead of shrinking displacement like many competitors, GMC has introduced an entirely new 6th-generation small-block V8 family. Customers can choose between a new 5.7-liter V8 or an even larger 6.6-liter V8. These aren't updated versions of older engines. They're completely redesigned from the ground up. According to GMC engineers, every major component has been re-engineered using advanced computer simulation, virtual testing, and extensive real-world durability validation. GMC is making a strong statement that there is still huge demand for naturally aspirated V8 performance. Super Cruise raises the bar. Long-distance road trips are becoming easier than ever. The Sierra Denali Ultimate comes standard with 3 years of Super Cruise. This advanced hands-free driving system operates on more than 600,000 miles of compatible highways across the United States and Canada. Here's the impressive part. It even works while towing a trailer. That remains something very few full-size pickups currently offer. Imagine pulling a large camper across several states while the truck assists with steering, acceleration, and braking. It won't replace the driver, but it can significantly reduce fatigue during long journeys. Luxury or adventure? GMC lets you choose. GMC knows truck buyers aren't all looking for the same experience. That's why the Sierra lineup has 2 completely different personalities. The Denali Ultimate focuses on luxury, premium leather, real craftsmanship, 22-inch wheels, unique grille design, the best interior GMC has ever built. Everything is designed to compete with luxury SUVs from Cadillac and Lincoln. The AT4X tells a different story. The seats provide greater side support during off-road driving. The steering wheel has a sporty, flat-bottom design. Interior materials are tougher. The panoramic sunroof brings more light into the cabin. And nearly every detail reminds you this truck was built for serious adventures. Different personalities, same premium engineering.